So today we've got Trudy Newton with us, who's going to talk to us about applying TA as an educational transactional analyst.
You say applying TA, I think the first thing I'd like to say is that I see doing TA in an educational setting and doing educational TA as two quite separate things. Lots of people use TA, maybe they're school counsellors or something like that. But when I talk about educational TA, I'm really talking about using TA to improve the educational culture. So working with the whole school or working with a whole group of staff to actually look at how people relate within an educational setting. Not just school, but anything really, from parent education, early years, formal school, right through to adult education in formal and informal settings. And with educational TA, we're really looking at what happens in the learning process and how we can use TA to make that better for everybody.
So which sort of concepts do you use?
Well, the basic ego state concept is always really useful, because even with a very basic level of knowledge, it helps people, if we're talking about school, teachers and kids, to look at how they interact and how they communicate. And quite young children can get hold of the parent-adult-child idea very quickly and start to recognise the different modes of behaviour and can really talk to each other about how they can talk differently to each other.
And why do you think it's important then for children to
I think
learn
it's
these sorts of
important,
skills?
even for quite young kids, to have some kind of a language to explain how they feel and what they're thinking. And you can use all sorts of TA concepts. I mean, strokes is another one which is really helpful to teach about positive and negative and conditional and unconditional strokes in school, and maybe to help a school look at how it strokes different behaviours. And sometimes all the attention goes to the bad behaviours. How can you actually change that and make sure that the attention goes to what's working and what's really promoting learning and health and thriving in an educational setting?